ladies. We're here at Ace Cafe, checking out some of the Rotary cars, some of my fellow rotards. It's in Orlando, Florida, the only Ace Cafe in the US. For those who don't know about Ace Cafe, they're only in England. I won't give you all the history, but you can look it up. Ace Cafe was actually in England, and it was more of a motorcycle thing where the cafe racers used to bring their motorcycles and hang out way back, I believe it's the 60s, if I'm not mistaken. There's our little group here, Rx8, Rx7 Fd, Rx7 Fd, and over here the black Rx7 Fd is with us also. It's a pretty clean car also. Then we have, he's not with us, but it's a nice little car. 13B. Turbo FD engine. Then this car's with us right here. He's part of our group right here. We're just kind of hanging out. It's a convertible Rx8. Plenty of FDs here. Trust me, plenty. Some nice clean FBs, first gens. Nice and clean. The silver ones, really nice. This one's a little wild for my taste, but hey, it's still nice. A 3-rotor. I like that little motor. Wouldn't mind having that in mind. Another 3-rotor. They're making 3-rotors look common. Crazy. Another 2-rotor. Pipes are all kind of weird ways. Oh, different. First gen. Another 3rd gen. I say first gen. A few more first gens. The Cosmo, where the 3-rotor comes from, right here. From Japan. This is a Japanese car, obviously JDM. Drag car, legit. Scarlet. 2nd gen. A few more 2nd gens, 1st gens. 2nd gen, 1st gen, 1st gen. Pickup truck, I'm sure it's probably rotary. The Toyota, I'm sure it's rotary. The drag car. Yeah. That's a guy's car there. It's a clean turbo 2 right there. Look at it. Nice. Clean turbo 2. Really good shape.
What's the turbo 2?
Second gener, yeah, 1 turbo. 2nd generation Rx7 with turbo in it. Single turbo. Just like that. That red one's a turbo too. That's a 10th anniversary right there. A white one? Turbo too. I used to drive one of those.
Is it rare?
Yeah, it's pretty rare. Edgar's gone. See where he's at. I like the Rx3 SP. It's nice. You don't see those every day. 3 rotor right here.